Honey, why is this mess still here? And what is that shark card doing on the table?
Babe, what's 1500 plus 967?
2,467.
Plus 495?
2,962.
Minus 3000.
38.
Jimmy, we have $38 to spend on your private camp.
Cindy, how did you get to that number?
I don't know. It was in my head.
Honey, add that up on the calculator.
I thought I was supposed to clear the table.
Jimmy, add that up on the calculator.
She's right. Dad, the camp is $3,800. We're way off.
3,762 to be exact.
Guys, let's talk this through.
We need to sort this out, or Jimmy will be playing stickball with the alley cats.
Stickball is better than dead ball.
It's Moneyball. Now, Cindy, throw me the card.
Cindy is playing dodgeball. Dad.
Cindy,
Looks like you're in a pickle now.
Hey kids, I got an idea.
honey, now that you've burned dinner, pickles sound good.
Mom, Dad, what about baseball camp?